What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Granite 4x4 brushed. This is the Arrma Granite 4x4 four-wheel drive. You have, the body. Body looks good. I like this body. I kind of would want it in green, but this body is fine. They got oil filled shocks, front and rear. You got the spacers for the shocks. You got the 550 12 turn motor. You got the brushed ESC, plastic drive shaft in the middle, front and rear plastic drive shafts. You don't have adjustable turnbuckles, which is fine. It's fine. Servo, this is the Arrma servo. Nothing's been upgraded yet. The slipper clutch is plastic. I want to upgrade that to metal. I want to upgrade it to a brushless slipper. The tires are pretty good on there. Not belted. Thing is, this is an Offerup deal. He wanted 110 for it. From the 105, I was going to try 100. I'm like, it's practically a brand new car. The only thing is brushed. Doesn't have a wheelie bar. The body looks pretty good. Hold on, let me light this up so you can see it better. This is a good beginner's car. This is a great beginner's car. This is another great beginner's car because you can, it's slow now, but you get all the qualities of a hobby grade RC, and then you get to decide whether to upgrade it or not. But with this car, I can get all the parts from my local hobby store, so I'm not sweating it. If I need anything, I'm in the next video of this vehicle, to be all the way upgraded. I'm gonna add a wheelie bar. Put a wheelie bar back there. I'm gonna add lights to the bumper, bumper right there, and to the back. The wheelie bar gonna come out to, let's see where the wheelie bar goes. Who knows, but I'm gonna add a wheelie bar, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's much better. Now you can see the car. It's not a bad looking car. Tires are pretty good. Got good tread on them. Got pretty good tread on the tires. Not focusing. Has minor body damage, if you can see that. Barely see it. Very minor body damage. It's not big. It's not, the parts ain't expensive. You can find parts anywhere. And this is off of Offerup. Offerup deal. This thing, oh my God. Let's give her a chance. I mean, it's brushed, what you expect. This is full throttle right here. I mean, I can't really tell, but it seems pretty smooth. That speed, oh my God. And that's on 100%. Let's try 50. See how I move on 50%. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna convert this. It's pretty good. Let's see, can it climb the rock here? It's like a crawler. Game over, the battery died already. Just came back from a quick spin. Yeah, I'm gonna have to convert this. Well, upgrade it to brushless. I keep saying upgrade to brushless. I ain't got to do nothing but change the ESC, the motor, and the spur gear. Not gonna match with the servo till it blows. I know these servos aren't too good, but I'll wait till it blow. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.